If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 503, don't panic. In most cases, this is not a problem with your device. It usually means X's servers are temporarily overloaded, under maintenance, or having a short outage. So in this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it, what to try first, and how to figure out whether the issue is on your side or X's side. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is wait a few minutes and refresh the page. Since a 503 error often means the service is temporarily unavailable, sometimes all you need is a short pause before trying again. Go back to X, press refresh, and see if it loads normally. If it still gives you the error, the next step is to check whether X is actually down for everyone. To do that, open a new tab and go to Downdetector. Search for X or Twitter and check whether there's a spike in reports. If lots of people are reporting the same issue, then the problem is almost certainly on X's end, and the best fix is simply to wait it out. But if the site seems fine for others, then the issue may be coming from your browser, your network, or your local settings. Now let's try a hard refresh. Sometimes your browser saves a broken version of the page in cache, and that can keep the error showing even after the site starts working again. On Windows or PC, press Ctrl and F5 together, or try Shift and F5. You can also click the refresh icon next to the address bar. After that, reload X and see if the page comes back. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear the site's cookies and data. Corrupted cookies can interfere with loading and sometimes cause repeated errors. Open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Look for cookies and other site data, or third-party cookies depending on your browser. Then choose the option to see all site data and permissions, search for Twitter or X, and delete the stored data for the site. Once that's done, close the tab, reopen X, and sign in again if needed. Another common cause is browser extensions. Ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, and some VPN extensions can interfere with X's scripts and stop the page from loading properly. To test this, click the extensions or puzzle icon in the top right of your browser. Open Manage Extensions, then temporarily turn off anything that might affect the site, especially ad blockers or VPN tools. After disabling them, refresh X and check if the 503 error disappears. If the problem is still there, flush your DNS cache. Sometimes your computer keeps outdated DNS records, and that can point your browser to the wrong server path. On Windows, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. After the command completes, try loading X again. This is a simple step, but it can solve connection issues surprisingly often. Next, test a different connection. If X still won't open, the issue could be your internet provider or a regional routing problem. A quick way to test this is by turning on a mobile hotspot on your phone and connecting your computer to it. Then reload X. If it works on your phone's data, but not on your regular Wi-Fi, that tells you the problem is probably with your ISP or your current network path to X. At this point, you've covered the most effective fixes for x.com or Twitter error 503. The key thing to remember is that this error is usually temporary and often server-related. So start with the simple checks first. Wait, refresh, verify outages, clear site data, disable extensions, flush DNS, and test another connection. In many cases, one of these steps will get X loading again. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and it means you'll be ready for the next quick fix video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.